Among the highlights of this collaboration between the ADC and the Kenyan government and Africa generally in the last few years was the successful elevation of the Nairobi UN station to the same level as the other two stations outside the New York headquarters, that is Geneva and Vienna. Africa stood as one on this issue and were able to convince the other regions that there was merit in raising the status of the Nairobi office. We are all proud of this achievement. More recently, at last year's Rio Plus 20 conference, the status of one of the two UN agencies headquartered here in Nairobi, the United Nations Environment Programme, was elevated. Following that elevation, the UNEP Governing Council has since been renamed the United Nations Environment Assembly, which has universal membership. The African voice in the elevation of UNEP was well coordinated, loud, and clear. Your Excellency, my remarks on this occasion, where we are celebrating the Africa Day Jubilee, would not be complete without reference to your country's role in the peace efforts in Somalia. Kenya, together with the other countries in AMISOM, is playing a central role in the peacemaking process in Somalia. You are home to thousands of our Somali brothers and sisters who have found refuge in your country. Your security forces are fighting alongside the other African countries in AMISOM. As we celebrate the Africa Day Jubilee, which coincides with your own Jubilee, Your Excellency, we should spare a thought for those that are displaced by the Somali conflict and indeed by other conflicts elsewhere in Africa.